Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can list a coin on CoinGecko, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help new cryptocurrency projects get visibility on CoinGecko's platform. So first you will have to go to coingecko.com, and once you're here, you will go ahead and search for submit a coin. You can either search it from the search bar, or you can find it here on the dashboard. So let's search submit a coin. So here you should see that option, but if you do not, you should make sure that you are logged into your account so that you will have the full access to all of these features. And then what you will have to do next, once you click submit a coin, you will then fill out the application form with your coin's name, your symbol, your contract address, and website. Then you will provide links to social media explorers and official channels and submit required documentation to verify your projects. And you will wait for the CoinGecko's team to review your submission. And once approved, your coin will appear on the platform. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.